Imagine guys, creating your stunning city in Blender.
Skyscrapers, streets, and neon vibes, all with just a few clicks. Sounds unreal. Well, we are making it real. And guess what? You don't need to spend hours modeling everything from scratch. There is a powerful add-on that does the heavy lifting for you. Stick around, cause I will show you how to install it, use it, and even take your city to the next level. Yo, welcome to this video my friend. We are on the Grand 3D. Alright, first things first, how do you get this add-on? Well, you have two options. You can support the creators by grabbing it from the official website, or if you just wanna test it out, you can download it from my link for free. Yeah, anyway, let's get this installed. Let's go my friend. So for first, you must open Telegram desktop and go to my Telegram channel Undergrounds 3D and download this file. After download this file, you must drag file in, for example, desktop. After download file and drag in the desktop, you must extract file in, for example, this place. Rewrite, mirror, extract here. Password is 69 and 69. So now we have these add-on. So easy. Open Blender, and my recommended version for this add-on is 4.2 or 4.1 or 4.3. Yes, so for install add-on, just go to edit, go to preference, go to install, and go to this place, desktop and ICT Undergrounds 3D, and select this file and install add-on and enable it, and boom, you're ready to go. So now delete anything and just press N and select ICT. Now that we got it installed, let's build something epic. Alright, let's start it from scratch. I will show you how to create a full city with roads, buildings, and even some cool atmosphere. Just click start. Okay, and everything suddenly appeared in a stunning way. So easy and so nice. You can press Ctrl and B and select this space for viewport cycle. This already looks sick, right? But let's add a bit more space. Don't worry, guys. We know a city isn't just about buildings. It's about life. Let's add some lights, reflections, and extra elements to make this scene pop. Let's go. So, for example, we have chairs and for example lights and bird. Cars. Right, cars aren't here, but don't worry, I provide you with the best ones. So we have textures, we have bin and anything. So let's go start, guys. For a start, we can use True Sky add-on for realistic sky. The tutorial video for this add-on on my YouTube channel. The link will appear at the top of the screen. You can check it out. So let's go. Enable True Sky. Alright guys, so what do you think about expanding the city a bit? For example, we can go to edit mode and resize the city this way. Select H and or we can add H. So easy. It's really beautiful and quick and easy. So nice. So beautiful. And this is not all the story. We can also add unique and tall skyscrapers. Just go to process and add any skyscrapers. For example, this. Select face mode and it's so beautiful. And of course, if you have a low-end system, you can use proxy mode to prevent FPS drop and avoid lag. You can see. And off proxy mode. Yeah. So, and you can use any option and you can add it park. For example, this. And you can see. So beautiful, so amazing. really, we have thoroughly built a beautiful and complete city in the short time and with the highest quality. Really. But wait. My surprise is still coming. I promise you awesome, fully rigged and sports cars. Yeah, man. So, and now I introduce you to the teleport car add-on. Yeah, a full tutorial video is available on my channel YouTube, and the link appears at the top of the screen. Don't miss it, bro. Guys, don't miss it. It's wonderful add-on. So let's go to add cars in Beat City. For example, I like Nissan GTR. So this car is fully real. Also guys, really you can create animation with this scene. Select camera and shift select car, Ctrl P and keep transform. Now camera keep the car. You can see, so easy. And you must just add keyframe. Press E. So easy. And you can any more car, for example Dodge or BMW or Lamborghini, anyone, Aston Martin, Audi. Crazy transformation, right? Just a few tricks and boom, you've got a city strange out of a sci-fi movie. Sci-fi, yeah. And also you can create your favorite map. It's any object. So guys, that's it. In just a few minutes, we went from an empty Blender scene to a fully detailed, futuristic city. Now it's your turn. Download the add-on, experiment with it, and let me know what you create. And hey, my friend, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss out on more Blender magic. So, see you in the next one. Take care, guys.